Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly achieve their goals while others constantly struggle? It's not luck, talent, or circumstances. It's the incredible power of your subconscious mind. In the next 3 minutes, you'll discover how harnessing your subconscious can unlock potential you never imagined. Your subconscious mind is like a powerful supercomputer, silently influencing nearly every aspect of your life, your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Science shows that 95% of your daily decisions come from your subconscious, meaning most of your life runs on autopilot. But here's the secret: you can reprogram your subconscious for success. Renowned psychologist Joseph Murphy highlighted this power in his groundbreaking book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, showing us that our deepest beliefs shape our reality. So how do you tap into this hidden strength? First, practice visualization. Imagine vividly the life you desire: success, health, happiness. Studies confirm visualization triggers your subconscious to align your actions with your goals. Next, affirmations can rewire your beliefs. Simple phrases like "I am confident," "I attract success," repeated daily, embed powerful new beliefs into your subconscious. Over time, these beliefs become your reality. But remember, consistency is key. Your subconscious learns through repetition and emotional intensity. Each day, spend just 5 minutes visualizing your goals and repeating your affirmations. Avoid negative self-talk. It directly programs your subconscious to fail. Replace it immediately with empowering thoughts. This isn't wishful thinking. It's scientifically proven brain training. The power to shape your future lies within you. Start today by consciously programming your subconscious mind. The life you dream about isn't just possible, it's waiting for you to claim it. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this with someone who's ready to unlock their full potential. Remember, change your subconscious, and you'll change your life.